Okay, so let's think of what happened yesterday and what can happen today. So yesterday we didn't have a gap to the downside, we opened just around the lows, and we traded for a bit before started to trend higher. We almost got to the highs, then we made poor lows and traded higher with a pullback, and late in the day we had a spike to the upside, and in the overnight we are trading within a spike, so this is acceptance building here. So it first we didn't explore the gap, which is short term bullish, but longer term I think this structure would be better if it was repaired. And yesterday, well, this move means that some shorts were liquidated late in the day, and looking at the price levels that were very exact, we have like one single print here, and here we have poor lows to the tick. We have here also kind of weirdly looking lows and highs around the spike base. We ended up above value, so this is maybe like an exhaustion top. We made a top on the SPX, new high for the year, and this week looks very positive. But it's too emotional, I think, the trading. We have 3 gaps in this move to the upside. I think it is dangerous to be more and more long here, but again, if we look at the ES, especially with back adjusted contracts, we didn't reach all-time highs. It is just around here. I can show my different chart book. So just a bit higher we have all-time highs, but again on the SPX we did reach them, so I'm not sure that those levels will be that reactive. I much rather rely on the most recent levels, and that and those that are in the same at the same level as well on SPX as on ES and so on. So yesterday inventory got long. We had trend, almost a trend day up and almost an outside day up. So value is overlapping both ways. So let's think of what can happen today. So since we are opening within the spike, it is fairly positive. Inventory is slightly short with regards to settle, so early correction would be an attempt long. So let's say we tried trading higher. We do revisit point of control, settle, maybe make new highs, and then get a stronger reaction, and for example we start printing second period of the day within, then I would be more inclined to take a short position. And for another trade, I would like an early attempt lower, similar what happened in the overnight. I took this trade already and cashed out there also already. So an early attempt lower, rejection, and I would be buyer here. I would like a retest also of these levels, depending how much we get higher, and then I would like to see us traversing all the way of this spike. And if we get a stronger move to the downside, so either scenario 1 materializes or scenario 2 doesn't materialize, so we start printing first period here, second period here, well, maybe like that. I would like to see us revisiting those lows over there. So maybe if we get a weak pullback in the B or C period here, then I'd like to see us trading here, and for the second target would be this area around low volume node, this single print, and the base of this upward move. Yeah, so those are early free trades that I will be looking on, and I would like more the short side, but it is dangerous to get short in this environment. So, and especially since we are in an uptrend, there is one really good scenario for the upside, and if we get in this lower range and make good excess, so let's say we trade lower and lower, maybe build some balance and acceptance within yesterday's range, so the profile looks like that, and we then get one print below that finds support. Those lows aren't secure as well, but if we get an afternoon look over there, I would be trying to buy value. But I think one shot is enough, especially if I don't have this trade on, and if the structure is kind of good and we get bigger volume. Because for one more thing worth noticing is that this entire move to the upside is made on poor volumes. So I can show this on my other chart book. But where? I think it is here. So it is RTH session. So relative volumes are very low for this upward move. And I'm not sure if it is OPEX today or was it last week, but this might be coming to the end, this move, I think. And here on the other chart also around average volumes, this is electronic trading hours, so entire day, and I count 5-day relative volume, and also on a nominal basis we see declining volumes for the entire week. So this might be another yellow flag for bulls, let's say, and as you can see, we are trading without bigger pullbacks, so same as we had here. We have here even steeper. So, but again, we can, like we had here, we can consolidate a bit without bigger move to the downside. Even on a retest we didn't, we tried for the third time, we didn't get it, so we might also consolidate here, maybe like here, and get a bigger drop, or maybe not, but let's not get too ahead, and let's think of what can present today. So I think that's pretty much it for this analysis, and I'll try to record on Monday.